Well guys, today's the day. I finally did a complete overhaul and replacement of the headlight switch. This one didn't work. My name is Andrew and this is Procrastination. All right, so here's the problem. As you know, this is the light switch apparatus and the horn and everything. This shouldn't do that. You should have to hit this unlock. Oh, it probably shouldn't go all the way around either. Yeah, this isn't engaging with anything. It should clunk like that. It's not clunking. So yeah, you can take these apart. You can rebuild them. Rebuild? You can take these apart and rebuild them. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to take it out and replace it because I'm lazy and I need something to do today. All right, so this is our new switch. This is from Midwest Military Equipment. They are up in Missouri, kind of outside St. Louis. I need to go up there, visit someday. But this is our new switch. I got the black one because I'm going to eventually paint the dash and everything black. But as you can tell, it doesn't move, unlock. Oh wow, that's so good. Nice, satisfying click. The other one doesn't do that. Great. So that's the pin on the back, the connector. A big spinning ring tightens it on. Nice clean threads. So obviously before you install, you've got to pull. Obviously before you install, you've got to pull a couple of these so you can finagle it through the dash. You also want to turn the battery off. So by turn the battery off, I mean unplug it. But yeah. Nice. Okay. Let's get started. Heard these are extremely long threads. Just want to get them started first, and then I'll hit them with the old drill. Be careful not to strip that guy. Pretty sure there's supposed to be some kind of washer back there. I don't know. Save him for later. Short. You may just be spinning to, holy crap, those are long. Yeah, we're gonna get something else for that. Would you believe that I did not spray these with PB Blaster? And maybe I should have. Those back threads are a little tight, so we're gonna spray them and come back. Well, if you've been following along, this is my go-to when I have rusty bolts. I was gonna reuse these, but I don't think I will now. All right, as you can see, I'm probably in the way. Cool. So as you can see, take the bolts out, slides out through the back. One of these bolts actually broke off in this thing. So PB Blaster, highly recommended. Now we just gotta unhook this. Again, make sure your battery's disconnected and pop a new one in. Whoa. Just wanted to show you real quick, there's only one way that a wiring harness can plug in. So you can't, in theory, mess it up. Famous last words, right? Wonder how far it's supposed to thread. Probably till it's hand tight, because the other one was hand tight to take off. Let's see if I can maneuver this through with two of the switches. Oh yeah. But looky there. Ready to leave two of them on. Let's put this little unlock lever back on. It's hot. Okay, now, moment of truth. Hey, we got lights. And we got a horn. Prove it to you. That light is on. All the sun. Who knows if you can see this? But that there is a headlight that's on. That there is a headlight that's on. Got some ambers. Look at that glow. It's beautiful. Yeah, you can tell those are on. This guy. Yeah. that is how you replace a headlight switch, kind of. I still need to get some new screws, but so much better. All right, we're back. A couple hours later. It's even hotter, it's like 110. Got some new screws, because if I didn't put these in, my dad would probably text me and be like, cool video, job's not done till it's done right. So Dad, this one's for you.